Either my mother or my father coming to the meeting. Option A is, either my mother or my father is coming to the meeting. The bouquet of flowers beautiful on the table. Option B, looks, the bouquet of flowers looks beautiful on the table. Neither of the boys completed his homework. Option B, has, neither of the boys has completed his homework. The teacher, along with the students, going on a trip. Option C is, the teacher, along with the students, is going on a trip. Each of the players a chance to bat. Option B, gets, each of the players gets a chance to bat. One of my friends going to Canada next week. Option A is, one of my friends is going to Canada next week. The news shocking to everyone. Option C is, the news is shocking to everyone. The jury divided in their opinion. Option B, the jury are divided in their opinion. $10 not enough to buy this book. Option A is, $10 is not enough to buy this book. The number of students in the class increasing every year. Option A is, the number of students in the class is increasing every year. The committee reached a final decision. Option B, has, the committee has reached a final decision. Either of the answers dash correct. Option A, is, either of the answers is correct. The police dash investigating the case. Option B, the police are investigating the case. Everyone in the class dash present today. Option A, is, everyone in the class is present today. The quality of the clothes dash improved over the years. Option B, has, the quality of the clothes has improved over the years. The quality of the clothes dash improved over the years. Option A, has, the quality of the clothes has improved over the years. Neither the teacher nor the students dash responsible for the incident. Option B, neither the teacher nor the students are responsible for the incident. Mathematics dash my favorite subject. Option B, is, mathematics is my favorite subject. The army dash ready for the parade. Option A, is, the army is ready for the parade. Bread and butter dash a healthy breakfast. Option B, is, bread and butter is a healthy breakfast.